It boils down to principals deciding either I take this or I have this, and it shouldn't be an either or. And basically, it is a symptom of underfunded schools.
D.C. Public Schools said in a statement, regardless of optimize its budget, DCPS central office will work with them to ensure that they are providing adequate access to library programs for the upcoming school year. Still, some librarians aren't comforted by that assurance.
DC school library programming is essential to so many things: literacy, supporting students, what happens to the children.
In Washington, Jess Arnold, WUSA 9.
Now, your WUSA 9 weather forecast, sponsored by Cox.
I sure hope they rethink that. Our children need librarians. They need those defenders of literacy to ensure that they have what they need to succeed.
Yeah,
it's
absolutely.
important.
Yeah.
You never know what you'll find when you open a book.
No, you don't.
A new
Good
passion,
stuff.
right? I bet you read some books that
it's a good thing, yeah.
got you going into meteorology.
You ready for the cherry blossoms?
Of course, always.
It's kind of our it's not spring until they bloom, really, here in the
know.
metro area. And so we have a forecast now. Now, I will say that I think this is going to change. This is the first forecast from the National Park Service, and it is in the latter part of this month. And we talked about this earlier in the week. We saw no way they'd be peak in April. We're just too far ahead of the game, and so to speak. So here's the deal. In terms of average peak, so that's April 4th. Well, we know that's not going to happen. Earliest peak, the middle of March. That's not quite going to happen. Latest, mid-April. Last year we were April 1st, and now this year we're forecast March 27th through March 30th. And again, I think if I were a betting man, I'd probably move it up maybe 3 days, maybe 24 to 27. And I say that because I'm looking ahead to weather patterns the next few weeks. There's really nothing cold or that crazy cold coming our way. So three things to know. Again, March 27th to the 30th, that's the peak this year compared to last year, April 1st. Now, around peak bloom, the only thing we have to avoid are temps in the 20s for any length of time. It can dip down in the 20s for an hour or so, but when you get temperatures, below 26, 27 for a few hours, that can kill the blossoms. And then, once they're in full bloom, of course, wind is the enemy. We want winds under 20 miles an hour. They're tougher than you think, but if we can keep these two things away, remember, you don't just have one day to see them. Once they're in peak bloom, they're there for 3, 4, 5, even 6, 7 days if we're lucky with the weather. Okay, so you're trying to get folks in town, though, to see them. Get them in this month. All right, so forecast for tomorrow for the kids. It'll be chilly to cold at the bus stop. Low 40s downtown, 30s in the burbs. And then we're back up to the mid-50s by 3 o'clock. Not quite as warm as it was today, but still a pretty good looking Thursday. And temps still above average. Your average high is 52. We're looking at 55, 56 tomorrow. We'll say sunshine to start. A few clouds come in late in the afternoon, but for the most part, a pretty nice day. A little more sunshine in the morning than the afternoon. And temperatures, 57 tomorrow. Here's our blustery day, Friday. Upper 40s, low 50s on Saturday, back to the low 60s on Sunday. And don't look now. Mid to upper 60s next Monday. That's why I think the forecast is going to kind of change with these cherry blossoms. We get temperatures that warm. We might have hit 70 next week. They really start coming out. So, colder Friday, rain or snow showers. And then the weekend, okay, just chilly on Saturday and warmer on Sunday. And then more 60s Monday and Tuesday. Now, we'll talk about the snowfall. Here's one model. Actually brings 1/10 of an inch as far south as D.C., 2/10 of an inch Frederick. Not so sure I buy that. I do buy a little bit of snow in northeastern Maryland, but I got to tell you, it's going to be a really good weekend to ski. I think Deep Creek, Wisp, and places like the Canaan Valley, even down to Snowshoe, even up to Seven Springs, probably 1 to 6 inches across the board. That's a pretty good weekend of skiing, and it won't be that cold either. So 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, kind of cold for us, 30s to low 40s, clear skies. By mid-morning, we're in the low to mid-40s, and then by afternoon, unlike today, you probably want a light jacket to walk to lunch. Temperature 50 in Hagerstown, 53 in D.C., and 53 in Fredericksburg. Temps pretty uniform, actually. So we're in pretty good shape tomorrow, 57. Probably a yellow weather alert Friday for the rain and snow showers, only 49. We'll be reminded we are indeed in the month of March. And then cool to chilly on Saturday, 53. But then we warm right back up, much like we did last weekend, into the low 60s on Sunday. Yes, we lose an hour. We go to bed on Saturday, move your clocks forward 1 hour. Upper 60s Monday, some showers possible Tuesday, a wee bit cooler next Wednesday, back into the low 50s.
You would think at a certain point you would learn, like, just stay in your lane.
Yeah,
don't come in this lane, stay here.
Dan Snyder, just stay to the right, let the team go to the left.
Yeah.
Dan Snyder, y'all, what is he doing?